Hello, Vicki Achard again with Nature's Best Art, taking a break from my art to show you a Jello recipe that doesn't include any dye. So what I'm using is this box of gelatin packets is what I got at Kroger. And so what I did is I took one of the packets out of my other box that I have. This includes four of these in this box is what I want to show you. So I took that out and put it in this bowl. It's been sitting there for 3 minutes. And what I did is I added this Jello is going to have orange juice in it and mandarin oranges, and I think I'm going to add a banana if I can cut it up. Excuse me. So what I did was I put 1/4 cup of this mandarin orange juice in this cold. It was cold, and then I stirred it up. Excuse me. Now, when you stir it up, you'll see that the gelatin is a little white, but just keep stirring it up. It's supposed to stay here in 3 minutes. It's been there for 3 minutes, and then oh, okay. I got the orange juice quite hot. It is hot. All right, so we can use that. We're going to pour that in here, and this is 1 3/4 cup of my orange juice. All right, so let me take this here, my right hand, and pour it in here. It's going to combine with that gelatin. And I'm using my really nice, I think it's called stainless steel instead of metal. So, okay, so there we go. We're going to stir that up so that binder binds everything together, that gelatin. It's quite hot. I didn't mean to get it that hot, but that's okay. It'll really gel with that gelatin well. These are my sliced pears. I think I'm going to show you how I do my other Jello too after this. So, all right, there it's nice and stirred. Then I'm going to take my mandarin oranges, dump them in here. I'm actually holding my phone now this time with my left hand, so it's working better for me. But I'm holding the whole phone. Hope you can see this video. I'll test it when I'm done. Okay, so that's the mandarin oranges. Then I didn't want to cut up my banana until later because you know how they turn brown. But it's really nice, I think, especially using with this recipe because, the acid in the mandarin oranges will keep that from get going brown if we don't, let the banana set. Okay, like I say, I'm doing this with my right hand only. So, doing an okay job. Boy, this is interesting. It's a little tricky. Okay, so let me cut this up because I want a nice bite-sized pieces for the Jello. And that's okay if it takes a little bit of time because I want that the orange juice to cool just a bit. I got it a little bit hot. I wanted to make sure it was hot, and I got it really hot. But so this is a real lifesaver for my daughter. And it gives her a lot of peace knowing that the children won't get those dyes in the Jello. When you buy those boxes of Jello, I've bought them for years. My kids always had the dyes. They didn't never had a reaction, to the dyes. So, but if your kids do, I mean, this is the way to go. I just didn't think that I couldn't even make Jello for my family because I didn't, I didn't want my grandchildren to miss out on eating Jello when they could see their cousins and everybody else eating the Jello, right? So I came up with this. And it's worked well. This is my second time doing it, and they like this one too. This was I think some of my grandkids' favorites. Some of them really like that apple one that I just showed you. If you haven't seen that one, watch that one too, because I really like that one too. So, but they like this too. All right, so I'm going to try to put this, make sure it doesn't stick to the plate in here. All right. Trying to get that in there. Okay, that's good. I'll just add those few other ones that I can't get up. Oh, here, I'll do it with my hand. There we go. Okay. Now, we're just going to, I think it's all done. Yep, all done, all stirred. And now we're just going to pour it in our pretty bowl that we want to serve it in for Easter. Okay, and to get that, make sure I get all of that gelatin off the bottom of the pan. This is why I like to use these metal bowls, or stainless steel, I guess they're called, because nothing sticks to the bottom. You know, when you make Jello in some like plastic bowls and stuff, that stuff sticks to the bottom. Okay, there we go. And there's our Jello. And I just touch these bubbles and they seem to go away. I think one time I used like saran wrap to get the bubbles away. But it seems like if I just touch them a bit, it goes away. See? There we go. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh my goodness, there it is. And you know, I'll cool it down for a while and then put it in my refrigerator. Now, this third one, I tried to find a lime, something lime, to do my third one. Oh, I forgot to get my cottage cheese out. But anyway, I'll just tell you, this butter is for frosting that I'm making for later. For my, I made a white cake. We're going to have a little lamb cake, Anyway, so this is my lime one, and it does have the dyes in it, but I can't find a substitute for this. And I put pears and cottage cheese in it. So I am going to mix, I'm going to show you how I do this. I'm not going to show you how I do it. I'm just going to tell you in the next video how I do this. And I think people would really like this one if they're not concerned with the dyes. So watch that one too. That's a really, really good one. I love that one. Okay, thank you for watching. All right, and then we have one more, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.